You don't know who I am. I'm not famous, and in fact, I'm just a normal guy who probably shares the same goals as you. Over the past 2 decades, I actually worked a corporate career that I felt out of love with. But I did it anyway because, probably like you, I wanted to provide for my family. And even though I achieved success from a traditional perspective, I still felt like a failure. I really felt like something important was missing. Perhaps you can relate to this on some level too. And when the pandemic of 2020 began, I knew something must change because it really was no longer about chasing just the money. I mean, most of the times, money can provide you material things, but in exchange for sacrificing what you really love most in your life. I realized I didn't want to earn an important amount of money anymore if that meant continuing missing all the important moments with my wife and children. So I began to think about the possibilities of becoming a virtual entrepreneur to take advantage of the huge possibilities of the digital economy, and maybe this is something you have considered also at some point. At that moment, I had never realized that you can actually make money running your own online business, achieving at the same time financial, time, and location freedom, selling products, let's say on Amazon, or selling your own knowledge to coaching or consulting, or even just recommending a product or service through a link and get paid a commission. They call that affiliate marketing, by the way. It's like referring your favorite restaurant to a friend, and every time he goes, you get paid a commission. I remember the exact moment when I discovered all this, when I found in YouTube a free online workshop that didn't cost anything, but it showed me how to create any online business from scratch. And I'll share what I found in a second, but let me ask you this question based on something I mentioned a moment ago. What's more important in your life? Money or moments? I'm not gonna pretend both aren't important, because they are. But what's gonna make you really feel fulfilled? You see, you know, and I know, you just can't place some amount of money around moments with your family. And this is where things got really exciting for me, because I actually found a way to have both. Moments with my family, with my friends, to enjoy my hobbies, and money to assure the financial security for me and for my loved ones. And I achieved that starting a side online business without all the risks and without all the costs associated with a traditional business. And that same free workshop that opened my eyes is still available for you, because you're probably like most people, you like making informed decisions. And that's why this free workshop is so critical. Now, if you click the Learn More button below this video and sign up with your contact details, you can receive it immediately. I remember at first I thought all this sounded too good to be true. But looking at it now in perspective, it's clear to me that it was a great opportunity that presented itself in front of me at the right time in my life, and that I'm so grateful I didn't let it slip away. Maybe it's the right time for you too.